referee yan, bay.
And Clark Tiburon will be playing 1v1.
1 to 8 lang, bay.
1 to 8 lang to.
Bay, depensa.
Okay lang.
Napakatapang muna tao. Bilib ako sa kakayahan mo.
Bay. Referee yan, ha? May referee yan, bay. Laro lang.
Piso lang po yan. Piso. It's Clark. Clark. Trying to pose up attack as he speeds strategical. Sabi, dikit ang dasa. Oh, with a pull-up.
Rebound! Bang! 1-0. 1-0. Almot agad.
Ano yung announce natin is with this ball or
Sub. Kaya nga, natatakot ko.
Leroy for Clark.
Ino mo, bakbakan mo.
Oh, one-day contract si Leroy sa JCI Manila. It's an import versus export. Import versus export.
Ulo! Takot! Uy! Ulo!
And, oh, bonus line now.
Rebound, pre! Foul. That's foul, bro. That's foul. Pre, push over, Jakamer. Pasok. Hoy! Ay! Red foul! Walang foul! Walang magawa, foul talaga. Awal na referee. Ang dami referee. Bang! Depensa, ganun lang. Depensa. Time out.
2-1 is the score na Maximo sa tanong isa. Leroy has it. Leroy.
Kung ino mo, pwede sa lang. Oy! Rebound! Ala! Oh, come on!
Foul on Leroy. Foul Leroy daw. Foul Leroy.
Leroy.
You're in Basakan's territory, so it's your foul.
Rebound! Depensa! Oy! Wala! Sumusunod yung referee. Yeah, tawagin niyo siya ng maayos para maano. Tawagin niyo siya ng drafting din yun. Para todo ko, seryoso.
Basakan, 2-1.
Lahat pabura.
Basakan has it. Basakan!
Gago. Time out, pre. Galing mo, pre. Shooter ka doon, pre. 3-1, lamang ka. Oh, galit siya, guys.
Lamang ng dalawa si Basakan. First player to make 8 points.
Pensa!
Leroy.
Pensa! Uy! Wala! Traffic! Uy, wala pa! Ano? Inatay mo! Nag-aalis na naman! Panginoon mo! Angas!
May nagkamasahin ba? Si Basatan, ha? Tingnan nyo. Si Basatan is up by 4-1.
Yeah, 4-1. 4-1. Lumit mo!
Leroy, you're down by 3. 4-1. Leroy. Si Leroy, foul si Leroy.
Sinabaw pre.
Foul si Leroy.
Bang silog. Rebound! Pesa lang, honesty. Oh! Bang! Oh! Oh! Ay! 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 Bang mo yan, lalo na kasi. Oh! Bawag.
Isa lang. Isa lang lamang ni Bosatan. 4-3. 4-3. Lamang ka pa rin Bosatan. Lamang ka pa rin Bosatan. 4-2
Galing siya, guys.
Pati ako yung away na.
Bang! Pesa! Ipesa play, honesty. Honesty lang. Honest lang. Oh! Oh! Ito, ito.
Leroy. You're down by 1, Leroy. You're down by 1.
Pati referee, takot kaya ta na.
4-3.
Hop!
There is Bosatan.
Rebound!
Bosatan misses Leroy. Gets the rebound.
Malay. Hop, hop, may bala. Oh. Bang! Hoy! 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 Huwag ka ba na ba? Ay, dito, dito.
Ball game. It's a tie ball game.
All ball, bro. Let's go. Go, Leroy. Sarap.
4 points na. 4 points.
All ball. Defense kasi. Pinapagbigyan mo eh. Jackamer. Yun o. Scatter.
Bosatan. Bosatan.
Patay ka sa bulga dyan. Hop. Spin.
That is good.
Hop.
Look at
Hop.
those premier handles.
Rebound. Bang! Oh, ano yun? Takina pa. Eh, ba't yan? Oh, oh, bawal. 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 Bang!
That's not travel. Bosatan did not travel. He went to an expedition. Okay? He went to an expedition. That's not
Bawal na yan. Bawal na yan, pre. Laruin mo ko. Ah, ganon. Ayaw mahawak. Tabla na, tabla. Bakit kasi pre, kailangan ano? Walang dayaan. May referee na eh.
Wala siyang coach, meron siyang coaches. Guys, eto bola ko. So guys, palapalan na natin si John, guys.
Bago. Tutuloy.
Leroy.
Bakit na bola? Ayun, bola oh.
Ayan.
Bola.
Guys, even si Bosatan, siya namimili ng bola. That's how powerful this guy is. And here we go, John. John with the fake. John with the take.
Amo lang.
5-4.
Oy! Dami na sayang! Hamot! Di ba yun? Uy! Galing! Bang! Ay na! Iyak siya, guys!
6-4.
6-7!
Legends.
Anak ni Jaworski.
Eto, Bosatan, anak ng PBA legend. Etong mga...
Ayan, right. Alam ko. Gopings. Gopings versus Gopings, oh. Gwapo versus gwapo. Kaya mo yun, pre.
Last na palit.
Pogi. Pogi versus Pogi, ah.
This is the last na ba? Okay guys, last substitution na po ito Last subs kasi lugi naman si Bosatan. Again, the score is 6-4. 6-4. Lamang ang JCI. Bosatan!
Ano? Uwi na.
Is that a 1-pointer or 2-pointer? 2-pointer now, folks! We are tied at 6.
All na, all!
All 6 na. All 6. And ayan na. Face-up defense na. This is what we call a face-up defense.
Layo ka.
Bosatan!
Akin to. Time out. Sabi ko na eh. Ano? Wow! Putan daya. Panis! Tawa rin joke. Ano tawag dun? Utakan ko siya. Lakas mo po. Timeout muna.
Robbie, that was the really, nakita mo yung process.
Wait.
Lamang si Boss Atan is a 7-6 is the score. Okay? 1 point for Boss Atan. Robbie. And
Bang,
Robbie
bang.
to 1 point.
Bang!
1 point, second on the line. Second on the line. 1 point now.
Grabe kay Boy. Ay! Wala! Ah! Daya.
So guys,
Olas! Sa kanila! Bro.
okay.
Leave on screen.
Alright guys, so we get here.
But, be careful because... No.
Ano na?
Para he will pass.
Okay, kaya lang si Boss Atan. Ano? A foul! There was a foul during the timeout!
May pull yun.
Wait! Oh my, that is the first time in history there was a foul during the timeout break. That's why bola ni Boss Atan. First time ever in history. Oh,
Diba? Wah! Hala! Puta ng gigil! Ulti! Sayang bro! Sayang! Sayang! May ano parang si San ah.
And foul! Foul si Robbie, no? Foul Robbie. Okay, foul si Robbie. There's a play. May play dito, folks.
Tumira!
Look at that! And bola ni...
Benza! Benza ka! End!
Bola ni Robbie? Bola ni niya. Okay, last score na to, ha? Last player
Wow.
score. Robbie for the win!
Rebound!
Spontan! And...
Bada!
That is the reason why this is the Olympic gold medalist.
Night night! Night night!